Vinay Shukla, product manager on the Checkpoint Edge product platform. I support all of the tax and accounting editorial content that comes through that's written in-house as well as by some third-party providers. To us, it's to solve any user pain points around guidance, tracking, experimentation, or awareness to begin with. But then we also build in analytics to every single user story that we write. There's always a component, and with every feature, there's always going to be several tracking metrics that we're going to want to build in through Pendo. As a search platform, we have a search box where users are starting to enter their terminology. And we also have a feature called our auto suggest box that drops down after the user goes in and starts entering their terms. It tracked the suggestions and it tracked the eventual search, but it didn't really track that moment at which the search was stopped to act on. We did develop AI capabilities to start suggesting recommended searches based off of the user's entry. So the track event that came about around that auto suggest was to measure not only success around how well the auto suggest feature was doing, but then also to really hone in on the behavioral and psychological aspects of when a user is stopping their entry, their keystrokes, when a user is going in and modifying the query that we're suggesting. Really great for our future maintenance of the AI/ML capabilities, which requires a lot of that data and a lot of that information, both explicit and implicit in what a user is doing. With all that information together now in a single track event, it's been brilliant because non-technical folk can actually pull it down from the Pendo dashboard into a CSV and create pivots off of it. Really quick analysis can be done by non-data scientists on this data that's now available to them. We have editors that write on our that write content for our platform in-house, and they've been empowered greatly to analyze and take a look at what types of queries the users are putting in. If they actually helped to curate some of those queries, they're able to see feedback on what alternatives the users are searching for as well. So a lot of empowerment through this particular track event. I treat Pendo user stories as any old user story in our backlog. We make sure to groom them, size them like any user story. My first tip is always treat it like a piece of formal development. It needs to have really great definitions on what you as a business person are looking for in order for your development team to really understand what it equates to in terms of requirements. And then the second piece is get architects involved early so that they can start looking ahead to what other track events could we be including, what other pieces of metadata are crucial to have in each individual track event to then be able to look at that entire picture.